Dude, we all like, I can't, we gotta redo it. We can't get to 24. I was like, wait, I thought that. Alright, hold on. Oh! That was good. I should have moved over here. What are you doing? I mean.